Hello and welcome to another Teach Me Forex Swing in Position monthly wrap-up session. This session will cover the month of trading of September 2008. And these results you're about to see are based on the two trading strategies taught inside the swing in position phase of the Teach Me Forex graduate program. And as a matter of fact, most of these trades we're going to talk about here have been covered extensively by yours truly inside our swing in position team trade room, where we learn, earn, and have fun all at the same time. Alright, let's not wait. Let's get into our results right away. This month's pippage, 3,273 big pips were accumulated by our two strategies. That corresponded by an increase on your initial capital to 314.5%. As long as you follow our money management rules, all mechanically, this is what you get. There. So you wonder how we did that now? Well, we're about to break it down in detail here, but first I'll give you a quick overview how things are done. We're seeing this in our weekly wrap-ups. So we're trading two trading strategies, mechanical entry, stop loss, profit taking, everything mechanical over these four time frames, the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily chart. These are the four time frames we use over these 8 currency pairs: Euro, Pound, Swissy, Yen, Canadian, EJ, Aussie, and Kiwi. So all our trades are taken based on these time frames and one of these currency pairs. Furthermore, we never risk or expose ourselves to more than 1% on our account on any one trades. In this way, there's absolutely no emotions involved, simply pure mechanical execution. That's the way we want it, all the way. Alright, back to the results here. So there was 4.5 weeks throughout this month. So the first week, we were able to make 593 pips, compound our account by 27.2. Week 2, 664 pips, compound by 42.4. Week 3, our record week, 1,234 big pips. During this week, look at this compounding factor, 61.2%. Week 4, 498 pips, plus 22.7%. And in only a couple of days here, this was only 2 trades, by the way, 284 pips, an increase of 15.7% on the account, for a great monthly total of 3,273 pips. And if you took all these trades, managed them the Teach Me Forex way, this is what you made on your initial investment. So if you started with 1,000, you now have $4,145 in your account. All right, so let's break it down in more details. So this month, we had 62 textbook trade signals we could take. 28 of those were buys, 34 of those were sells. Again, mostly sells. None of those trades were off the daily chart. Only 4 were off the 4-hour charts, 16 off of the 1-hour chart, and we've got the rest 42 trades out of our 15-minute chart signals. That accumulated for 3,273 pips, compounded by 314.5% over 62 trades. But here's what's cool. 46 of those were winners, 16 of those were losses, for a winning ratio of just under 75%. So we basically won 3/4 of our trade, and we're able to come out ahead like this. So let's break down a few of those trades. Let's look at a few highlights we had this month here. So our largest win was 265 pips. That was on the Kiwi 4-hour chart. We had a smallest win of +1 pips. That happened on 6 occasions throughout the month. Our largest compounding, and I call this our big kahuna for the month, was on the Euro 15-minute charts. With one trade, we were able to compound our account by 16.7%. Great trade. Our smallest compounding, well, minus 1% on all our 16 losses. That's how it goes. The Teach Me Forex way. We're talking about losses here. So our largest loss was 37 pips on the Swissy 1 hour setup. And our smallest loss was a minus 1 pip on a Euro 15-minute trade throughout the month. So, quick recap once again. These are our weekly totals throughout the month. Notice this big week of 1,234 pips, 61.2% as the highlight of the month. That is our weekly record. So far, it was a very tumultuous and highly volatile week, and it worked to our favor. Totals for this month, 3,273 pips, 314.5% compounding factor. Alright, so to view all of these trades, to view the details of all these trades, you're all please invited to watch the Teach Me Forex weekly wrap-up sessions for the month of September. There you will be able to view the spreadsheet with the exact entries, the exact stop losses we used, and the exact profit-taking price where we actually grabbed our profits. So it's all there in the Teach Me Forex weekly wrap-up sessions. They're also posted on our channel. So this does it for this month. It completes. So thank you very much for joining us today, and consider yourself invited to join us again next month for another Teach Me Forex Swing in Position, a monthly wrap-up session. And don't forget, in between until then, there will be the Teach Me Forex Swing in Position weekly wrap-up sessions with the full details of our trade. So now, for more information on who we are, what we do, how we do it, any of our strategies, or perhaps how to join us inside of our Teach Me Forex team trade rooms, please visit www.teachmeforex.com. And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful day.